If you're seeing the Epic Games inactive may not login error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary account lock, a security flag, a browser or launcher cache problem, or even a VPN causing Epic Games to block the login attempt. The good news is that in most cases, you can get back into your account without doing anything complicated, so stay with me and make sure to watch until the end. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. First, the most important thing to do is check your email. Open the inbox connected to your Epic Games account and look carefully for any message from Epic Games about a lock, suspension, security alert, or unusual login activity. If Epic sent you a ban or lock notice, that message will usually explain what's going on and whether you need to wait, verify your account, or contact support. Don't skip this step because it can save you a lot of time and tell you whether the issue is temporary or account related. Next, try logging in directly from the Epic Games website instead of only using the launcher. Open your browser, go to the official Epic Games website, and sign in there first. Sometimes the website works even when the launcher throws an inactive or login error. And this helps you figure out whether the problem is with your account or just the app itself. If you can log in on the website, that's a strong sign the issue is probably local to your device, browser, or launcher. If the login still fails, the next thing to do is turn off your VPN. A VPN can sometimes trigger Epic's security systems and cause your account to be flagged as inactive, blocked, or unable to sign in. If you have a VPN running, fully disconnect it, close the app, and then try logging in again. Even if your VPN is usually fine, it's worth disabling it during the sign-in process because Epic may treat the connection as suspicious. After that, clear your browser or launcher cache. If you're using the Epic Games launcher, close it completely first, then clear its cache files if needed and reopen it. If you're trying to sign in through a browser, clear the browser cache and cookies, then reload the Epic Games login page and try again. Old cache data can store broken login sessions, expired tokens, or corrupted page data, and that can keep the inactive error appearing even when your account is actually fine. A clean cache often fixes sign-in problems surprisingly fast. Once you've done that, give it a little time. If this is a temporary lock, waiting a few hours may be all that's required. Temporary security locks are often automatically lifted after the system clears the flagged activity, especially if you've already removed the VPN and stopped repeated login attempts. While you wait, avoid spamming the login button over and over, because that can sometimes extend the problem instead of fixing it. If you still can't get in after checking email, trying the website, turning off the VPN, and clearing cache, the next best step is to use Epic Games support and explain exactly what you're seeing. Include details like the error message, the device you're using, and whether you already checked for a lock email. That can help them identify whether your account needs a manual review. To recap, the main fixes for the Epic Games inactive may not login error are checking your email for a ban or lock notice, logging in from the Epic Games website, turning off your VPN, clearing browser or launcher cache, and waiting a few hours if it's a temporary lock. Those steps solve the majority of cases. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple gaming fixes, account troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're back in your Epic Games account soon.